Good morning. I am at 31250 Northwest Commercial Street in North Plains. Brand new home, 2019. This grass is just all newly planted, so there'll be fresh grass here, and then there's going to be a fence along that east line, and then also a fence on this west line also. It's a 2-car garage, but lovely home. Nice little dining room right here. Kitchen area. Nice island. Lots of light in this house. Large living room with vaulted ceilings. I'll take you straight to the master bedroom. Master bath. Nice large windows here. And a great walk-in closet. It's kind of nice because the master bedroom is on one end of the home and the other 2 bedrooms are over here. Nice linen closet right here. Hallway. Bedroom here. Again, a lot of nice light. Bedroom here. And then the hall bathroom is right here. Full bath. You get a pretty good sized rear yard. And the owner is going to be putting in, again, more fencing along this line. And then a deck. The owner's going to install a deck. And then this box here is for drainage. So this will stay and all the plant life will stay in there. And again, you're going to have a fence over there. And I'll show you the rear view of the home. And again, this east line will have a fence, and also the west line over there will have a fence. And that's the conclusion of my tour of this great home in North Plains.